Step 4, lace wear is there. I can see your lace from far, even close, I see it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good, hope you're blessed. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I transfer this wig from looking like a auntie or like a mom to looking like a, you know, $1 million box. I hope you guys stay tuned to the end, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And I need you to do one thing, please. I need you to subscribe. I hope you are subscribed, and if you're not, please go ahead and subscribe. And okay, now I'm gonna shut up and just play the video for you guys. Don't I look like a French person? Like, bonjour, je m'appelle, je m'ami, you know. So guys, this is how the wig look like fresh out of the box. I don't have the box here with me, but I haven't worn this wig because I still have the tag. So the wig is from WIG or Des or Goddess. I don't know what they're trying to say. So the wig was 20 euros, and I was like, okay, yeah, you know what, why not just buy it and just try it out. You might like it, and the wig feels very soft. So the hair feels like when you are natural and you get your hair blow out and straighten. I want to try something new. I want to try a bob, and the hair is really full. That's what I loved about it too. The closure. Let's talk about the closure. Closure is very hard for you to make the hair look natural as possible. So this is how the inside looked like. First of all, I'm going to remove the comb and then cut off the lace. I have more movement at the front where the closure is now that the comb is out, and this is how it is looking like. My hair is almost a month old since I visited the salon, and it's growing. Now you can see my cornrows are pretty old now. If you guys want me to show you how to take care of your cornrows while wearing wigs, or you know having a break, then let me know and just comment down below, and I'll do a separate video showing you guys how I take care of my cornrows. So guys, now that I have the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and then comb it. So before I filmed the video, I put the wig on and it was like really high, but now it's more down and it's not as high as it was, but you can still work it and make it look more flattened. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a second. But before that, I want to show you a good lace frontal or closure. If you're a beginner, I will always advise you to get a hair that has a closure like this. And if you're a beginner, I would even recommend you to get a frontal. Why? Frontals are hard to work with when you started like wearing wigs. So if you're a beginner, I would always advise you to get a closure. So I have this wig on, and as you guys can see, the wig lays very nice. Now we have the black wig on, and this is exactly what I want to show you. As I said, you can get something where the closure is, you know, a lace closure, but still not the most expensive wig. You can see from far it's like, you know, very big, and it doesn't really lay flat on the skin, and it looks like, you know, you can see like a jump. So to create baby hairs, I am going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to take a hairband and then secure it at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, get a little amount of hair at the very end. I usually don't use scissors. I just take my eyebrow shape thing. I feel like with this it's more natural because I go back and forth, so some are long, some are short. So now I am done and I have my baby hairs. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I would do with the closure. So here there's no foundation, and you guys can see the hair is very gray, and in real life I don't know how it's showing on camera, but it looks very gray and violet. But now that we put foundation on, this is how it looks like. So when you part it, the hair looks very natural, you know, and yeah. I can no longer part the hair. I've come to where I can see the track here, because this is no more a lace. This is the hair track where they glue it on, I guess. I won't put foundation. So this is how the closure is looking like now, and when I part it, as you guys can see, it looks very natural. So guys, this is how the closure is looking like now. And when I would want to have a different part, I can just go ahead and part the wig, and as you guys can see, the closure is still there and it's looking great. So now I'm going to go ahead and, you know, get the baby hair. Then I will take a hair scalp or hairband, whatever you have, and then just, you know, lay your baby hairs down. And this will also help for the wig to lay down. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna leave the hair down, and then I'll come back and then show you guys how the baby hair look like. So it's been what, like 5 minutes? I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, take off my hair scarf. Ew, sis. Yeah. So guys, I am almost done. You can be done after fix the baby hairs and you did your closure. As I said, with this wig, it's really hard to, you know, make it look natural like as possible, because the closure like jumps. So it's always gonna look, you know, as if your hairline is, you know, a little bit higher than it usually is. But please girls out there, stop wearing, when you buy a wig like this that is so cheap, stop wearing it straight out of the what do you call it, box, because it looks way more wiggier. And with this, you know, with a little bit of touch, a little bit of time, you can just make the wig look more, you know, acceptable. You know, you can make it look as if you spend a little bit, you know, on the wig, and it's not like, you know, it's obvious like, girl, you're so broke that you buy hair like this. Like, are you that broke, girl? Are you that broke? So I just wanted to show you guys that you can still make a cheap wig look nice, you know, and you don't have to spend a lot if you don't have the money. I know not everybody have the money to spend like $60 on a wig or $100 on a wig, and those wigs are not even, how do you call it, human hair or good lace, you know. They usually look like this if you spend like 60. It comes with baby hairs, and the closure or the lace usually looks good. Sorry, the baby hair or the closure usually looks good, so you don't have to, like, you know, do a lot to it. And yeah, but with wigs that cost like $15 it looks like a wig straight out of the box. You have to, like, you know, spend more time on, you know, doing some touch, and you know, you're good to go. So the last thing I do is I wanna warn you guys, if your wig is like really synthetic, like expressions, please don't do this step. Please don't do this step, okay guys? Please don't do it. But with this hair, you can go from 330 to 400 heat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flat iron and flatten, you know, where the closure is. This will help you to make your wig look more natural, and it will flatten your wig, okay? So your wig will look way more flat than it is. Guys, I am not touching my skin. I'm not crazy. I'm not superwoman. Please ask an adult for help because I don't want you guys to burn yourself. As I said, first thing, make sure you can put heat on the hair. Second, make sure your iron is not too overheat, you know. And third, make sure you have someone that can help you. Ask your mom, ask your dad. So dad, can you please flat iron my head? I know it sounds stupid. It sounds stupid. Can you please flat iron my hair? Like, how do you mean flat iron your head? So the step that I just did usually just make the hair look, you know, it comes down and it pulls the closure more like, you know, down. Still, as I said, this wig is not a wig that I would go to event with, you know. No, this is like a wig I'm going to my friend's party, and you know, there's just, you know, closest friends, or I'm going to the grocery store. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something today. Please have fun, you know, with your wigs, and please make sure that your wig doesn't look like, you know, your auntie's or your mom's wig, because you know they're from a different generation, and I get it, but you know, but it's 2019. YouTube is there. You can search a lot of videos for how to make your wig look as natural as possible. Again, as natural as possible, not like the wig is going out from your scalp, guys, because people can see. Even with the wigs that cost $500 or something dollars, girl, when I come up close to you and like you're in front of me like this, like I'm talking to you like this, girl, I can still see your lace. So, and just enjoy the wig, okay? Just shut up and just, you know, slay, you know, slay your slay, but don't be like, oh, stiff hairs. Oh, stiff hair, oh, lace hair, lace is there. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. It looks like this. Subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. You always get notified when I post a new video, so that you don't miss any video from me. And I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Head over to my Instagram, guys. Are you on my Instagram? No, you definitely have to head over, and I'll see you on my next one. Love you. Bye. Therefore, lace wear is there. Lace wear is there. I can see your lace from far, even close. I see it. So stop pretending that your wig has no lace, because this hair is not growing out from your scalp. If I would beat you and pull your hair, it's gonna be in my hands. So stop saying lace wear, stiff wear, lace wear, stiff wear. Wow, literally, this is how some girls be doing, like lace wear, stiff wear, bitches there. So shut up.